Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am here to do few things that is not possible to do, provide you a few things which is not possible to watch the Zoom again and again. Zoom class is not possible. This is a recorded version, so that whenever you feel problem, you can open the link and you can watch the video again and again according to your need, and then you can go good to go, right? So let's start our chapter, and today's chapter is measurement. First of the three units we are going to talk about. uh, from the class you already know that uh, we are going to talk about the length and perimeters. Then we are going to talk about the weight here over here and the volume of liquid. These three units we are going to talk about, and after that the other part of measurement, there's an area. Okay, we are going to do that part in another video, and now I'm going to provide you that one. And first I want to tell you is I'm going to make the video a little bit easier so that you can understand. um, these things you need to memorize definitely, because it is very 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 important. But I have already told you about one poem which is actually pretty good by itself, so that you can learn and you never make any kind of mistake in measurement maths. So what we are going to do first, we are going to do first all the measurement, all the units we are going to convert it into smaller unit. From any unit we are going to convert it into smaller unit first. We are going to learn that one first, then we are going to go for the another one, the reverse one. Because when I felt really really what should I say, I felt a little bit conscious or nervous when it comes to go like this way, because it is you are supposed to learn one way first, then another way first. That would be much more easier. So I'm going to do that one. So be with me, and from each of the each of the unit I'm going to do only two maths, so that you can do the other one by yourself. So please help yourself. First we are going to do what? First we are going to do from the length. Okay, let's go. Okay, from this page you can see properly, as far as I understand. See that I have written two maths. We are going to convert them into centimeter. Remember that only one part we are going to do now. We are going to convert into centimeter, not the meter part. Okay, at first we are going to learn that way, and then after finishing this way, converting into smaller unit, we are going to go for the bigger unit. So let's first do the thing. You can see that we have two individual units over here, meter and centimeter, but we need to go for centimeter. So this one we are not going to touch it now. Okay, this one already in centimeters, so we are not going to touch it now, and we are going to do only 3 meter. We are going to convert it from the previous classes. You know that this is the meter, right? Klaya hakaya dakat marile deshe shanti milibe. That one, it is a kind of famous poem for this math, so don't take it otherwise. And let me tell you the thing. This one is kilogram, hectogram, which is not needed maybe for class 4, I'm not sure though. Decagram, this one is meter, and there are more to let me show you. There are two units here. That one will be coming as a liter and another one as a gram. Okay, and when we are going to do on a liter and gram, basically for gram we don't need that things, milligram thing. This kind of mass is not needed, but for meter and length, liter, we are going to use this, all of them. Okay, so for now we are just going to work on meter, because we are actually converting length unit. So let's see, let me erase that part. Okay, I have erased. Now you can see we are going to meter. From meter we are actually going to centimeter, this way. We are going down from meter we are going down, and down means multiplication. Multiplying with what? 1, 2, 3. 3 digit number, which one is 100. Okay, remember these things. These are pretty important rules. If you are going down, multiplication, count the digit, how many digit number we are going to, round figure we are going to multiply with. And when we are actually going up, we are going to do what? We are going to divide. From millimeter to meter we are going to divide. So how many digit will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number, which one is actually 1000, right? Divide with 1000. But we are not going to talk about it now. I don't want to make you confused anymore. I just want to help you. So let's see. We are going to talk about only 3 meter over here. So let's do that math. We are going to write down 3. Whatever the number is, we are just going to write it. Now for meter to centimeter, we are going to, there was a plane which one was making noise. Anyway, let's see. We are converting meter. So meter from centimeter, it is 100 centimeters. So we are going to write down multiplication with 100 centimeter. The unit will get changed. Remember that the unit will get changed. As this one is the action part of the math, we are going to separate our 7-8 centimeter with plus. Okay, after that 300 is a 300. You already know that. It's not a hard math to do. Centimeter plus that one. Now you can see we are just going to add them. Okay, where we are going to add them? This one is the rough part. Remember that this one is the rough part. So let's now do that part. I'm just going to pick that this way because we don't have much space around here. It's a plus. So 3, 7, 8 centimeter. And already I know that you know how to do the horizontal line of math. I hope that you remember, but still you need to do the, if it is big enough, then you need to do the rough. Don't forget that this is your answer. From this line to that line, we are converted into centimeter. Now I'm going to do that part. 2 meter and 6 centimeter. This is the same thing. Again we are going to, centimeter is centimeter, we are going to keep it that way. Okay, because we are actually converting into the whole thing, we are going to convert it into meter. Okay, so let's do it in another page because I want to do another thing over here. Okay, you can see it again over here. We are going to convert our 2 meter only into centimeter because this part is already in centimeter. We don't need to convert that part. We are just going to convert the 2 meter. So we are converting meter to centimeter. Okay, so we are going down. So we are going to multiply. How many digit? 1, 2, 3. 3 digit. So let's write it now. We are going to write down the 2. Definitely, and multiplying with 100. When we multiply, the meter will become centimeter, and this is the action part of the math. We are doing the part, so we are going to separate that one with a, you tell me, yes, with a plus. Then 200s are 200 centimeter plus 6. So just do that part. 206 centimeter. Says this is finished. Okay, this is the easiest way, possibly easiest way. If you don't want to memorize more units, if you don't want to memorize it, then go using this part, please, because this is the easy way, super duper easy way. Okay, this is with this math. So we are just going to write down the answer. Don't forget to write down the answer. Okay. So we are going to do what? We are going to just convert this length unit into smaller unit into centimeter. From meter and centimeter we go for the centimeter part. Now I am going to go for the another unit. You saw that I kept empty space on these two math because I want to do the other one also, the going into the meter, converting into meter. So we will do it, but at first let's learn only one part, how to convert bigger units to smaller units. Okay. Okay, now we are here, we are converting into gram. Okay, we are converting the weight part, we are converting into gram. You can see 10 kilogram and 9 grams. So gram part will be just stuck as it is. Okay, we are going to just work on 10 kg, kilogram. Okay, so kilogram is over here on the top, topmost part. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. But basically maybe for class 4 we don't need that part. That would be very good. So Kilaya, Hakaya, Dakat, that one basically I say Garile. Anyway, doesn't matter. So from kilogram we are actually going to gram. So we are going down. So we are going to multiply. How many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit means 4 digit number. Which one is 1000, right? You know it, because for now maybe it is pretty quite easy for you. So we are multiplying. 10 will be over there and multiplying with 1000. Let's write down the 1000, and when we multiply, the kilogram will become gram, right? And the active part of the math is separated with plus from the other part of the math, right? Don't forget that part. Now you can see there 1000 multiplying. Let me finish this rough. I'm going to come back again. Okay, now you can see that I have write down the 10,000 gram and 900 grams. So I'm just going to add that part within this number. We don't have to write down again. So our answer is done. This is the math done. This part is math done. Now we are going to go for the volume of liquid. Let's do that part. I hope that you understand. If you didn't understand, watch the video again. If needed again. Okay, you don't have to be stopped. This is a video. I have provided you a video so that you can watch again and again and again if you need it. Okay, you can see that I have written down the math. Some liquid part converting into ml. You need to, ml means this one. Let me show. ml means this one, centiliter and deciliter. Okay, these are the units, main units basically. So what we are going to do, we are going to convert the liter part into ml. This one is in ml. We are doing milliliter. We don't have to touch that one. I'm going to write down the 1, and we are going liter from milliliter going to milliliter from liter. So you can see we are going down. It's multiplication, and how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number. So that one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number. So let's taking out liter and writing down 1000 milliliter. And active part of the math is separated with simple plus. Okay, 1000 ones are 1000 ml. Never ever forget to give the dots. Okay, these units are short form. So whenever we are writing short form, we are supposed to give in our math you are supposed to give the dots. If you don't give the dots, it means only ml. It doesn't mean milliliter. Remember that thing. I'm just going to skip the rough part so that you have to do the rough part. I'm skipping for the making the video short, so don't worry about it. You have to do it. This is our answer, 1250 ml. And you have to remember that there is also deciliter. We can go from liter to deciliter, and that will be only 2 digit number, which one is 10. So you can do it by yourself. There will be no problem about it. Okay, Now this video, I'm closing this video over here, or should I go for the give me 1 minute.